He's coming near you. Holy shit. If he turns right, you're fucked.
Oh!
They're saying hit the buttons to distract him. There's a fire alarm.
I don't think I need to distract him.
Get the fire alarm and then the computer. Yeah, pull the fire alarm near you.
I'm chilling. Please,
Press that his
please,
pinky was
please,
cramping.
please, 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 please. Get it.
You gotta turn on the computer though, because you're probably gonna be missing like one or two.